Hey, if you want to connect your Sennheiser MOMENTUM 4 with any Android tablet, first of all, on the right headphone you have to locate the power button and then be sure that your headphones are turned off. So then click and hold the power button to enter for the pairing mode manually and take a look for these indicators. When they start blinking, just release the button. Now release the button and on your tablet you just have to go into the Bluetooth settings, turn it on and take a look for the available devices list. Just select your MOMENTUM 4 and wait for the connection. Accept the pairing. And as you can see, after a few seconds we are successfully connected. You can also be connected to the Sennheiser Smart Control application. I have a second video on my YouTube channel where I'm showing you how to download this application and how to set them up. Right now please subscribe to my channel, and that's all, bye bye.